my dear students. How are you? Fine, that's great. Dear students, we are now going to start course of English and the fourth unit. Unit 4, my elder brother. मेरे बड़े भैया. This short play is about two fathers who are different and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experience is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Sham, written by Munshi Premchand. Okay? My elder brother, written by Premchand. और इस स्टोरी का हिंदी वर्जन है, उसका नाम है बड़े भाई श्याम. इस स्टोरी में बताया गया है कि जो एक्सपीरियंस है, जो अनुभव करते हैं, अलग अलग काम करके, खेलकर, पढ़कर, कोई दूसरा काम करके, वो भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. हार्डवर्क की तरह आप एक कमरे में बंद रहकर अगर पढ़ेंगे और बाहर ही नहीं निकलेंगे तो आपको दुनिया के बारे में पता नहीं लगेगा. तो यह बताता है कि हार्डवर्क और एक्सपीरियंस दोनों बहुत ही जरूरी है. काम का अनुभव भी होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टोरी. This story, scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. Totally 3 scenes is here. Okay, now start story scene 1. A hostel room, two brothers, aged 9 and 40 years, sitting at study table. Sitting at a study table. Elder brother, and here is the brother. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book and the younger one, Munna, is drawing picture of birds and animals. See. Okay. Bhaiya says, "Oh, what are you doing, Munna?" Munna says, "I'm drawing." Bhaiya says, "When will you study? Where were you in the morning?" Munna says, turning pale, "I was playing." Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Very, very hardworking. Munna's elder brother, Bhaiya says, "That's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong." My foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it makes me 2 years to do 1 year work. Munna says, "Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wondered Why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times and copy? Poem Sawal shines in beautiful letters. Okay? Bhaiya says, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Munna says replied, "Oh bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go?" Bhaiya says replied, "Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you accept to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father hard-earned money." Munna starts crying on being scalded and sobbing. Sounds with wah, wah, ba, ba, who are heard. Munna says reply, "Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home." Bhaiya says, now stop crying. But on a nice smile, look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Bhaiya says, timetable schedule, 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English study. 8 to 9 a.m. math study. 9 to 9:30 a.m. history. 30 to 30, 3 to 3:30. Then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar. Half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner. 8 to 9 p.m. translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi and 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects and then to bed. Scene 1. So famous story Hindi, that is the Bade Bhai Saab. Name of chapter is My Elder Brother. So now we saw that short play. Two brothers, they say very good them together and long for daily experience, and this play based on the famous story that is Munshi Premchand, Bade Bhai Sahab. Play role on stage. So here we have seen one the first. So we now two brothers, we call now the elder brothers are calling Bhaiya. Most of us elder brothers are Bhaiya and name of smaller one is Munna. So a picture of birds and animals and elder brother reading a book. This is the first scene of the play. He will be dialogue Bhaiya and according Munna. So I read the character, then I read the dialogue. Turning pale with reference reactions of Munna. Bhaiya saying, "What are you doing?" Bhaiya replied, "My foundation in English to be a very strong." Now when asked how can so you know study English no child play, that means not a busy. And write to speak or write English properly, from those efforts required. Okay. Munna says there is a big mela in the village. Today should we go? But Bhaiya is have you ever seen me going to a fair or going wasting father's hard-earned money? And Munna start crying. Munna says, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. But Bhaiya replied, now stop crying, but put on a nice smile, look up, make a timetable for you follow, get up at down. Okay. Munna says, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya says, play? What is need, Munna? Munna says, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like football. I like the touch and go and hoot to a sound. So with the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. So now start scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya says, alas, I have failed once again. Munna replied, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Very good. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya says, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart? Once in a while in a Galdena game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean. See the picture? You have mastered the game. You have to work hard to successfully in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra and geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is the mark wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word for the textbooks. You have worked hard successfully when you have to study subjects algebra, geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. Munna says, oh, Bhaishab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Okay? No punishment in class. Bhaiya says, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna says, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and gone. Now start scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya fell. Again Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentle with Munna. Munna becomes nicer because of this and studied even less than before. Scene 3, Munna is passed and Bhaiya is fell. Bhaiya was very upset, and Munna seeing his brother so unhappy, Bhaiya now becomes gentle with Munna. Munna becomes no hater because of this science study. Munna says, talking aloud, oh, I'm lucky. I can pass easily. I need to study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites, but I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Munna, play games with my friends and fly kites, but should still carefully that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya says, catching hold of Munna's hand, aren't you as made to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from regarding books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed the 5th class. Munna says, really? Bhaiya, is that true? Bhaiya says, aren't you husband playing kites all day long? But if you think that I'm just one class ahead of you and I can't say something, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be understanding. But doesn't come only from regarding books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone school and Baba has only passed the 5th class. Can't believe this, na? Okay. Bhaiya replied, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you are me, and even if we have stupid the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna says, Bhaiya, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Bhaiya says, aha, I had accepted this answer. No. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. Mona says, with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya has Mona lovingly. Bhaiya replied, I also like to play and fly kites, but I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna says, I love you, Bhaiya. So, complete our drama, and I hope you can understand. Elder brother is also time responsible and very understand and experiences. So my dear students, today short play two brothers, they say very good one together and known for daily experience, and this play based on the famous story that is the Munshi Premchand Bade Bhai Sahab play role on stage. So I hope 3 scene is you can understand. Okay. Thank you.